For super clean lines when painting baseboards above carpet, use a consistent method that combines proper prep, the right tape, and careful removal. Start by pressing the carpet edge down with a stiff putty knife so the baseboard and carpet meet firmly, then run a high-quality painter tape like frog tape along the top edge of the baseboard, seating it firmly with the putty knife to prevent seepage. If the carpet nap is high or uneven, tuck the tape slightly under the carpet edge so paint cannot wick underneath, and press it down in small sections to maintain a tight seal. Score the paint line lightly with a sharp utility knife after the paint skins over to separate the paint from the tape and avoid peeling fresh paint when you remove the tape. Use a high-quality angled sash brush that is comfortable in your hand and load it with a moderate amount of paint so you can control spread without dripping onto the carpet. Apply paint in smooth, continuous strokes from one end to the other and avoid going back and forth over tacky edges which can create ridges. Once the paint is dry to the touch, pull the tape back slowly at a low angle toward the painted surface to reveal a crisp edge and keep a small touch-up brush handy to correct any tiny defects immediately. Common mistakes include leaving the tape loose so paint bleeds under it, which you stop by firmly seating the tape with a putty knife before painting, scoring the edge after the paint sets and removing the tape slowly. Another problem is overloading the brush, which leads to drips on the carpet, so load less paint and use controlled strokes while holding a cloth to catch any excess. A third issue is skipping touch-up, which leaves small blemishes visible. Keep a fine brush and matching paint ready and make small corrections while the line is still crisp and the paint is not fully cured. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples that illustrate techniques for neat baseboard lines, so we help people find the right professionals and learn practical tips. We also support a discussion community where we share advice, ask questions, and help contractors find work through our listings and user interactions.